Remember to stay hydrated, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what I'm carrying for the month of December. Not going to lie to you guys, this is a pretty bougie loadout just because I'm going to be showing a lot of my friends and family all of my EDC gear. You guys are going to see what's inside this thing in this video, so for now, sit back, relax, I'm not going to wear this thing, and let's get it. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Everyday Minimalist. My name is Brandon, and today I'm going to be showing you guys what's inside my pockets for the month of December. I don't want to waste too much of your guys' time, so we're going to go through all the items inside my loadout very quickly. First thing on the list is going to be the Garage Built Gear Mighty Pouch Plus. Now, this is a limited edition Mighty Pouch Plus. It's got this orange topographic pattern as well as this OD green finish. Huge shout outs to my brother Balin for scoring me this pouch specifically. He just snipes pretty much everyone when it comes to drops. This is a really good looking pouch in my personal opinion. I wanted to match that orange topographic pattern, so I did add on my own custom paracord along with this safety orange JRW Curator Bead. And I've said it in many videos, adding a zipper pull or an aftermarket zipper pull to your pouches will make a huge difference in terms of the overall quality. On the front of the pouch, I do have a few different Ranger Eye patches. Here I've got the JRW safety orange logo. Right below that, I do have a bottle cap. Next to it is going to be the nails from JRW as well. And right next to that, I've got the Data Crew Staxx collaboration Ranger Eye. This thing is absolutely amazing. We've got the Reaper kind of peeking above some Jordan boxes. And this is probably one of those patches that I get a lot of questions on. As you can tell, that touch of blue just kind of accents this entire pouch. Before we get inside the pouch, let's give a quick word for today's sponsor.
This video is brought to you by House of Blades, a premier knife dealer located in Fort Worth, Texas. And they have an absolutely enormous storefront. House of Blades is the one-stop shop if you're looking for really high-end knives, budget knives, multi-tools, water bottles, you name it, and they will probably have it. The reason why I love the House of Blades is because of all their different brand offerings. They stock Benchmade, Microtech, Spyderco, ZT, Kershaw, Civivi knives, Yeti, just to name a few. They also offer a really cool laser engraving service. So if you're someone that wants to have a unique knife that's really personal to you, all you gotta do is send over your files and they will engrave it straight onto the blade. If you're interested in purchasing a new knife from House of Blades, make sure you go to the link in the description below and use code EDM for 10% off your entire order. Thank you so much to House of Blades for sponsoring this content. Let's get back to the video.
Let's go ahead and get into the pouch and show you what's inside. So the first thing that always pops up inside any of my pouches is going to be this Everyday Minimalist Hank from Renegade EDC. Now, the reason why I like to carry a Hank is because when you have a bunch of gear inside the pouch, it kind of tends to clash together if you don't have a separating piece. And then having a Hank on you, I can just wipe my lenses. If someone needs to borrow it to wipe their glasses or even my personal sunglasses, having a Hank is just super handy. Inside the pouch, I have a bunch of different gear, so let's go through these individually. The first thing is going to be the Vero Fulcrum pry bar. This thing acts as a multi-tool and pry bar. I've been using this for a couple months now and it's been fantastic. A lot of people ask me, why do I use a pry bar? I use them to mount camera plates if I need a flathead screwdriver. If I need to just scrape something off, having a pry bar is vital to me. This is the mini Fulcrum, so it so happens to fit inside the Garage Built Gear Mighty Pouch Plus. Next to that, I've got my flashlight of choice, and that of course is going to be the CWF Micro Click Arcadian. This thing is just absolutely insane in terms of the brightness. It's made completely of titanium, and I think this is going to be a flashlight that's going to last a lifetime. These torches are custom and they're not cheap, but whenever I bring it out to show someone it, they are really impressed with the overall brightness. Next to the custom torch, I've got this pen from BigIdeaDesign. This is going to be the Tie Pocket Pro, and I just really like the overall size of this pen. A lot of the other microclick pens are going to be a little bit too thin for me, but this one maintains a really nice form factor, so it's very comfortable. A pen will always come in clutch and it fits inside the Mighty Pouch Plus. There's everything on the left hand side. Let's talk about the stuff on the right hand side. The first item is going to be this guy right here from Daily Carry Co. It's called the Tie Slide, and this thing is a gravity knife. A lot of you guys in the comments are going to ask me, hey, why are you carrying a gravity knife? And the reason being is because it's a great conversation starter. The average person has never even seen seen or handled a gravity knife. These things have very interesting mechanisms where it requires gravity to deploy the blade. So when I pull this out with my family or friends, they're gonna be pretty interested in what this thing is all about. It's a very fun haptic type of knife. It's very fidget friendly. And if you guys are interested in purchasing the tie slide, I will be leaving a link in the description below. It'll automatically apply 10% off at checkout. So next to the tie slide, I do have this guy right here. It's a piece of pocket art. It's also an SFK. If you don't know what that is, that's what you do with it. And this is a piece from Ostap Hel. So this is called the Mjolnir, made of carbon fiber, and then it has this crazy barked finish. Ostap sent this out to me personally and also included a lanyard with a carbon fiber bead. And again, I'm not gonna use this thing as a defensive weapon. It's more so a piece that I like to carry around, talk about, and really appreciate. If you guys have been watching me for a while now, I've promised in the past that I'll be making a pocket art video. Don't worry. 2023 is right around the corner. I want to make it the very best video that I've ever produced. The Mjolnir is a really cool piece. I recommend you guys checking it out. The next and last item inside the pouch is going to be this guy right here, sitting in the back pocket of the Mighty pouch. This is from HiTex gear, and it is one of their chips. This one specifically is the Kraken chip, so it does have this kind of like octopus Kraken on this side, and then an anchor on the other. Michael Miller over at HiTex gear did gift me this one at Blade Show West. If you guys have never seen one of these before, I would recommend going to check out their Facebook group. They do drops and all that crazy stuff. These things are extremely collectible and go for a lot of money on the aftermarket. This is another piece of pocket art, and I just enjoy carrying that one around because, again, it's really good to spark conversations. So that's everything inside the pouch. I don't have anything on this back pocket yet. I'll probably throw in some band-aids here within the next few days. But let's talk about my primary knife carry, and that is going to be none other than the Protech Mordax blacked out in Magnacut. This is one of the most minimalistic knives in my entire knife collection, and the reason why I wanted to put it in this loadout is because I really do enjoy carrying it. It is a bit of a larger knife, but it's not unwieldy. I believe Drop actually launched this thing a few years ago, so I got this one at Blade Show West directly from Protech. But it's an extremely fidgety knife. Expect to see a review on this thing here pretty soon. I just want to give it a little bit more pocket time. But that about wraps it up for what I'm carrying for the month of December. I totally want to see what you guys are carrying for the holidays. Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video, and I guess I'll have to catch you on the next one. Peace out.